Up page. As mentioned, this is how your prospective affiliates are going to get signed up to join your affiliate program. Easy enough for them to do. You can see we've got a nice little simple opt-in form, which you are more than welcome to customize if you would like. We've got the ability for you to add your logo in there, company colors, branding, write your own welcome message. You can even put the dashboard on your own domain if you would like to do that, collect additional info, so on and so forth. As affiliates sign up, you've got two choices then. You can auto-approve folks and have them get immediate access to your dashboard, or you could require that you approve them before they do access your program. Easy enough to set up either way. Once they are approved, whether it's automatically or by you, they're then going to be passed through to what we call their affiliate dashboard. So this is a nice way for folks to be able to track their own progress and also easily share their affiliate link. So you'll see front and center here in the middle is that referral link, and this is how we're able, the most popular way that we're able to credit sales to your affiliate partners who refer traffic to you. It is a direct link to your site, which is a nice advantage of using Lead Dino powered affiliate links. The advantage that we've got going here is that they are direct, so it's good from a user standpoint. They click, they're on your site. From Google's standpoint, they see it as an inbound link, so that is also good for you from a search engine optimization perspective. So going to help get you some extra SEO juice there as well. Affiliates can share it pretty simply, easily. They can either copy, hit the big copy link button and paste it anywhere that they have access to online. So that can be an email newsletter, a website, a social media channel. Folks are going to get credit for anyone who clicks through that link and ends up on your website. Or we make life even easier, and this is one of our big claims to fame. We've got hooks into all the popular social media platforms so that folks with, and everyone's got some sort of social media presence these days. So Facebook posts, tweets, Instagram posts, all available from a single click here. So let me show you how this works. If I want to share my affiliate link on Facebook, all I do is I hit that Facebook button. It logs me in, it tees up a post, and then with an additional click, I can share this with my Facebook friends and followers. They see this come through their Facebook feeds, they see it come from me, and as they click through or tap through the post, I'm the one who gets credit for the share. Same idea on Twitter, really easy. Hit that tweet button, and then we got something preloaded, ready to be shared with an additional click. We can tweet this out. My Twitter followers would see this come through their tweet stream, and then this is my affiliate link embedded here on the far right. We also have Instagram, and we have some mobile-only things such as text messaging, text message sharing, WhatsApp sharing. Those are available from the affiliate dashboard when you view it from your mobile phone. We also have mobile apps to make accessing the dashboard really easy from the mobile device as well. Couple more things on the dashboard. We do have a marketing materials section where folks who do have websites, web properties can get banner ads, infographics, other visuals. We got the HTML already in here, easy enough for them to copy and paste. Affiliate analytics. And everything you see on the left side, by the way, all these hyperlinks, you can kind of add or subtract as you want if you want to make this really robust or start simple. Either way works. For your power users, sometimes it is nice to have some analytics available, and we do have this now via this particular tab where folks can see their own sales funnel in more detail, see their nice little activity stream down here, see what's happened from a start and an end period here as well. With that, let's go ahead and move over into Lead Dino itself. I'm going to show you how we set a lot of this stuff up. So I'm going to take you through our content area. We'll do a few of our key tools, and then if you have questions, we can handle those as well. From our content section, this is where the affiliate sign-up page, the affiliate website can be customized. So everything throughout here, you can kind of walk through this when you have a few minutes. Customizable, so you'll probably run with our mobile-friendly version, color scheme throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all that good stuff. You can either just kind of update the text or insert images and links as you would like, or update the HTML directly. We do support custom CSS, so if you want to further style the page, you can do it. If you'd like to have your affiliates opt into a terms of service agreement, you can do that right here as well. Also in the content area, the Facebook post I told you about, the tweet, this is where you can create that, kind of define that, and really it is a nice shortcut for your affiliates. In my experience, most of my partners, they kind of run with the things that I've written. So big advantage having this already there for them. These are folks who honestly might not share if they didn't have the ability to do it with a single click. So doing them a big favor by kind of pre-writing this stuff for them. And again, it's going to help you out, I think, a lot as well by having everything just kind of preloaded, ready to go. It only takes you and I a few minutes to write a Facebook post, a few minutes to write a tweet, if that, but over the base of our entire affiliates does tend to save everyone a lot of time. And as I mentioned, removes any barrier to sharing that might potentially be there. All right, now I want to get into our tools area. A common question I get from folks, they get their first few affiliates in the door and they want to know, they're excited, kind of ask me what they should do next. So our affiliate newsletter is a great way to get these folks going, get them engaged, send out a newsletter, get them fired up. Here's the newsletter. Actually, this is actually the newsletter that I sent out to our affiliates last month. Actually, it was at the end of last month, so just a couple of weeks ago, end of July. Just let them know commissions are going out the door. I give them a heads up on something new to share. I've always got a big fat social sharing shortcut, which will take them back to their dashboard, which is where, as you know, all the magic happens. They can check their stats. They can do some sharing from here. So these newsletters, they go as any new email newsletter, land directly in their email inbox, and then they can also fire these out. We do keep an archive of them in the dashboard as well. We also have automated emails that'll help engage folks. These are really nice because they go out based on certain events without you having to sit there and do anything specifically. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up with you, we can send them a welcome email, which contains their affiliate link, as well as a link to their affiliate dashboard. So it's got everything that they need to get up and running. We can let folks know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, leads, and purchases that they each got credit for. Or you can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase if you would like as well. A couple final things. We'll do affiliate recruitment, and then I can either get into questions or we can talk about how you can get a hold of us for additional support, one-on-one phone calls as well. Let's do recruitment. I've got the ability to send out an affiliate invitation email. This is a nice way to get a hold of new customers as they buy from you. Reach out to these folks and invite them to join your affiliate program. So great way to get a 2-for-1. You got a new customer. We want to see if we can turn that person into a new affiliate of yours at the same time. Not much you need to do beyond enabling the email, sign your name to it to be off and running. And again, nice way to grow that program organically. It's something that we've done with great success. We just kind of chip away at it all the time, always recruiting from folks who come in the door, especially people who buy from us. We reach out to influencers in the industry as well. So you can see over 2,300 affiliates for us. And it's all about really what's below that. 4 in the last day, 21 in the last week. To me, that's what it's all about. Just kind of constantly recruiting all the time. Finally, we do also have an affiliate network. So this is great if you are looking to get in front of influencers, affiliates, resellers, folks who are already selling products, reselling products, referring products within your specific industry. Easiest way to join, network tab in the lower left corner. Click this and it will redirect you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. From here, if you did it from within a lead download, it would pop up a wizard where you could talk about your product, you could talk about your affiliate program. We then are going to get you listed in our affiliate directory. So we've got 21 different product categories on the left side, so lots of opportunities to be featured over here, you can see. And we also do newsletters that are bragging about products like yours, programs like yours. We do 5 of these a week, so lots of opportunities to get in front, again, in front of these influencer types, exactly the types of people that we're looking to be partnering with here. All right, finally, let me remind you, we do one-on-one phone calls also. So leaddino.com/support will get you the calendar of a couple of our my helpful colleagues here. Adam and Lisa can hop on the phone with you. They both kind of different expertise. You can learn what you would like to from each one down here. We also do, I'll get this in the chat window for you so that you can just kind of click that, get over to leaddino.com/support. Contact info as well, phone, email, live chat, 7 days a week. Live chat actually goes all day long, 24 hours a day during the work week now, so we did expand those hours. Phone, email, info as well. Finally, if you do have anything for me, Brett@leaddino.com goes back to me, so any questions I am happy to help with. Otherwise, I thank you for joining today. Hope it was helpful. Stay in touch. As always, let us know how we can help with your affiliate program. If I can help get you featured, I can work with you directly on that. I do wish you a great weekend. Thanks for joining me in this special kind of late summer edition of the Lead Dino webcast. So again, keep in touch. Let us know what we can do to help. Have a great rest of your Thursday evening and a great weekend, everyone.